Hi, I'm Joel Camisar from Chapman Manufacturing, and I'm here with Dirk today to talk about how he uses our Chapman tools at work in manufacturing and at home in his cars.
There you go. Yep.
So how'd you find out about us?
Well, you know, the truth is that I've been tinkering and working on things all my life, and my father introduced these to me, an old set probably from the 40s or 50s, and you know, when I was a kid I was grabbing things and doing stuff and probably breaking his other tools, but you know, Chapman survived.
They survived.
So later on in life in our business, we actually have all our service people equipped with these because they had to travel all over and they need something small and they need something complete. You know, as I started getting more into car hobby, you know, I found that having the right tool, the perfect fit, well machined screwdriver tips and things like that made a real difference in how I put things together. So I use it around the shop almost every day.
Oh, so you use it in both. Okay, that's interesting. And what do your service techs work on?
So we build machine tools. We actually build laser cutting and engraving and marking systems of all sizes, and they're sold all over the world. And you know, they need to have the kits from metric to slotted screws, Phillips screws, you name it, even Torx.
Okay, are there a lot of hard to reach spots on those screws?
They're all over the place. So you know, half the time we're using Chapman because we need to get into a tight space and we need to ratchet. The other time we're using it because we want the right tip for the screw, because it's just so easy to roll over a slotted or a Phillips or even a Torx or even a hex screw by, you know, using the typical handled tools that are out there. So, you know, we find it to be a very useful and compact kit.
Okay, and then, you know, it's always harder if you wreck the screw, you have to come up with a replacement, especially on a customer's machine, right?
Well, that's absolutely true. You know, if we're not using the right tool, we run the risk of doing, you know, damage to something, and we're there usually to fix something, right?
Not
you
cause
know?
more damage.
So we don't want to make any more, we don't want to create any more problems than we already have to deal with. And I think having, you know, a small kit that has all those tool capabilities right there just means that the tendency is for our service people to use the right tool. You know, if you throw a bunch of stuff in the toolbox, it's the first thing you grab. Maybe it's not the right size screwdriver or the right size hex, and maybe I'll make a metric work in a standard or vice versa. But when you have the kit organized the way it is and it's right there, why not use the right tool every time, because it's easy.
Yeah, and your service techs aren't going at it with an impact wrench or an air tool, I'm sure.
No,
their customers don't like to see that.
No, you want to be able to, you know, our stuff tends to be high precision, so you need to use the right tool for the job. And you know, Chapman makes it easy, and it's, you know, it's a great American product. We're an American company. We like, you know, we like supporting companies that support America.
Well, thank you. I think that was a pretty good speech, and I should probably hire you as a service rep.
Well, I don't know about that, but yeah, you know, we like the tool, and you know, we think it's great.
Well, thanks a lot. You can find all of our tools, including new products and new releases, on our website, chapmanmfg.com.